Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Learned counsel for the petitioner has assailed the disciplinary proceedings primarily on 4 counts within bracket 1. First being that he was not provided documents as mentioned in the charge sheet, having repeatedly asked for the same within bracket 2. No oral evidence was adduced, therefore he could not get opportunity to cross-examine the witnesses and produce his own evidence, and within bracket 3 some other employees were exonerated while he has been asked to pay rupees 64,000 after his retirement. Within bracket 4 inquiry was initiated after 11 years. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner has also claimed that he was deliberately singled out for the punishment on account of bias of some departmental officials. Stop. It would be appropriate to delineate certain facts in order to appreciate the contentions of the petitioner. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the relevant documents were not supplied to him before initiation of departmental proceeding vitiating the entire inquiry. Stop. It is submitted by learned counsel for the respondents that there is no provision for permitting any employee to go on casual leave on the basis of oral sanction. Stop. In any case, the Deputy Director of Agriculture within bracket extension has denied that he had given any oral sanction to the petitioner to leave the headquarters on 23/3/1990. Stop. He has further emphasized that the garage was ordered to be constructed by the agriculture workshop and same was provided to the Kisan Beej Bhandar on 28/1/1990. Stop. The petitioner was directed to shift the aforesaid garage in the campus of the office, but same was not shifted by the petitioner, resulting into the theft of vehicle. Stop. It is also submitted that proper inquiry was conducted wherein the petitioner was given ample opportunity to defend himself, and after considering the evidence available on record, the punishment order was passed. Stop. It is also stated that in any case the order of State Public Services Tribunal deleting the adverse remarks from the character roll of the petitioner would not affect the outcome of the departmental inquiry. Stop. Para. The petitioner in his rejoinder affidavit has reiterated that proper inquiry was not conducted and he did not get any opportunity to rebut the allegations of the department as the required documents were not provided despite repeated requests, and failure to provide the documents has thus vitiated the entire inquiry. Stop. The High Court on judicial review does not hear appeal from disciplinary decisions pursuant to the disciplinary proceedings but reviews the manner in which the decision is made. Stop. It is the duty of the High Court to ensure that delinquent employee receives a fair treatment and inquiry into the charges of misconduct is conducted by observing principles of natural justice and prevailing rules. Stop. It can only interfere where inquiring authority lacks jurisdiction to conduct such inquiry or delinquent employee has been dealt with in the manner inconsistent to the fundamental rules or in violation of statutory rules prescribed for conducting the inquiry, or where the conclusions are based on perverse interpretation of the evidence or no evidence. Stop. Over.